what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see a program that's going to solve this factorial. The factorial is 1 divided by 1 factorial plus 2 divided by 2 factorial up to 7 divided by 7 factorial. Okay, now let's see how to do that. First of all, I'm going to introduce some integer type of variable. Integer I initialize this one with 1, and then we are going to introduce another integer type of variable, that's j. This is for looping. Okay, now also I'm going to introduce float, and this one is fact, and the sum, I initialize sum with 0.0. Okay, the next thing is we are going to use while loop, because this one makes it easier. While loop, we are going to give a condition. Since we are trying to find 7, the factorial goes up to 7 divided by 7 factorial, so we set the condition in this while loop as I is less than or equal to 7, and then inside of this while loop we are going to put factorial. We are going to initialize fact with 1.0, and also we are going to create a for loop. The for loop is going to run up to 7. Okay, run up to 7. In order to do that, we initialize j with 1 first, because we are using j for loop. J initialize j with 1, and then we set the condition j is less than or equal to 7. Instead of 7 we can put I. Okay, let's put j right here, j, and if I put I, like, you can change this one. Like, if you want to do this for 8, you can do this for 9. Like, if you change this variable, like this value right here, it's going to change up to whatever the value. Like, for example, if you, let's say you want to calculate 10 up to 10 divided by 10 factorial, you can just change this one into 10. Okay, so I put it as general, j less than equal to I right here, and also we have to do the increment by 1, j plus plus, and then let's go ahead and create the equation for this. Fact is equal to factorial times j, facts times j, fact times j, and then sum is equal to sum plus I over factorial, sum plus I divided by fact. Okay, and also we have to do the increment, and this is going to go out of the slope when we get 8. Okay, and finally we are going to give a printf statement. In this printf statement we are going to say sum of series. Since the sum we have given in float type of variable, we have to put %f right here, and then we have to print out whatever the value stored in sum. Okay, that's it. Now let's go ahead and run this one, and here you can see the sum of series is 2.718056. Now let's say, for example, if you want to calculate for 8 like this, just put 8 right here and run this one. It's going to calculate 2.718254, and that's how we do that. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you are trying to learn C or C++ programming, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too, and also if you are trying to access these codes, it's in my blogger. I put the link of my blogger in the description, and see you next time.